Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text seated by rating, size the letter, font of letter, adjust the letter, select the 3D text, change the color. Then select the texture, go to the gallery, duplicate the letter, select the texture, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.